project was inspired by the fact that I'm constantly either losing necklaces or leaving them tangled up at the bottom of a drawer. So I wanted to combine jewelry storage with a floating shelf to display decor pieces. Figure out where you want your shelf to be positioned. I wanted it to be slightly above the center of the board. This step is completely optional. I added wood glue to keep the boards in position while I drill in the next step. It made filming this project a lot easier, but it isn't actually necessary to use wood glue and screws to join two pieces of wood, so feel free to skip this step. If you do use glue, clamp the boards together and let this cure for a few hours. Every single item I use in this video will be listed down below, so don't forget to check that out. Before I drill, I'm adding tape to outline the shelf from the opposite side so that I can visualize where the screws need to go. I'm using 3 screws to join the boards together, so I marked the center of the shelf and 1 spot on either side. Now it's time to drill pilot holes. Pilot holes make it easier to drive the screw into the wood. The drill bit you use for the pilot hole should be slightly smaller than the diameter of the screw. Switch to a screwdriver bit to add the screws. The screw should be long enough to go through the first board completely, and then about 1 to 2 inches into the actual shelf. I'm adding these hooks to the bottom to hang necklaces. I marked off several spots along the center to drill the holes. Each hook will be 1 inch apart. Now it's time for more pilot holes. Again, your drill bit should be slightly smaller than the diameter of the hook. This part wasn't difficult, but it did start to hurt my fingers, so I would definitely recommend using pliers to help insert the hooks. How you choose to hang this project on the wall will depend on what you plan on using it for. You'll need something more substantial than this setup if you want to display heavier items, but I used sawtooth hooks with hardware that will allow me to remove this from the wall pretty easily because I'm still a renter. I'll leave tips and tricks for hanging this project below the video. If you're looking for jewelry storage options, I hope this helped. Don't forget to check the box below this video for more information, and as always, thanks for watching. Damn it.